Guys, so right now we're gonna read If You Give a Pig a Pancake. Um, this was by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond, and it came from the same series of creative outlet that came with If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, If You Give a Moose a Muffin, you know, those stories about sharing things with your lovely animal friends. So, here you go. If you give a pig a pancake. And you see the artwork. If you give a pig a pancake, make the pig. She'll want some syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky, so she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles. When you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy. You'll have to find your rubber duck. And there it is. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born. She might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. That mess. Then she'll look under your bed. When she's under the bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. There she's under the bed. You're cleaning with the duck. She's looking for clothes. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take a picture, so you'll have to get your camera. When she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more. Then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps. And take her to the mailbox. On the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. She'll want to build a big tree house. So you'll have to get her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. She'll ask for some wallpaper and glue. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She might ask you for some. And chances are, if you give her some syrup, she'll probably want a pancake to go with it. And you're all tired. He's dead. Poor thing. All sleepy. And that's the end. And I love Scholastic because they do this. This is the cover. The front and the back. The back's got some orange juice and the pictures from the story. And there's the piggy with the pancake. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you next time. Bye.